Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Exercise number 24. Paper itself has come to us from the far east, where it was first used, but the word paper has come down to us from the near east, and different forms of the word are found in several languages. Full stop. Paper is certainly one of the most common things in the modern world. Full stop. Everyday masses of it are used. Everyday masses of it are burned, and everyday masses more of it are made and supplied to the waiting people of the world. Full stop. New para. People always want paper, and the manufacturer of it need not fear that the demand for his product will fall off. Full stop. Without paper, our modern life would not, at least for a time, come to complete stop. Full stop. It is indeed very much to be questioned whether our modern life could ever have come about, and had there been no paper or some other product of a like nature which was cheap, lasting, and serviceable. Full stop. New para. Without paper, we could not write letters to one another. Full stop. Millions of letters are written every day, some very important and some of little importance, and they are all written on paper. Full stop. Before the use of paper, writing had first to be done by cutting the characters out of stone, and later by using materials which cost so much that only such people as kings and army leaders could have them. Full stop. The common people could not write, and it would have been useless had they been able to write, because there would have been nothing on which to write. Full stop. And of course, we can see at once how impossible it would be to teach people to write if there was no cheap material on which to write. Full stop. New para. Today we in this country all go to school as children, and there we learn to write and to read, and as soon as we can write and read simple words, we began to learn other things until most of us end up by knowing something about quite a number of things. Full stop. Some know more and some know rather less, but it is just about impossible to find anyone in this country today who has not had the opportunity to learn. Full stop. And for this happy state of things, we generally thank the government. Full stop. Little more than 100 years ago, it was by no means a natural thing for all children to go to school, but the governments that have followed one another throughout the years have made it more and more possible for young people to go to school until we have reached the state today when we believe that not only should all children go to school and to learn to read and to write, but we believe further that all children should be given the opportunity to receive higher education if they show themselves able to take advantage of such training. Full stop. New para. The governments have been very wise and helpful in passing all the acts which have brought us to this happy state, but the fact is that it was really the supply of cheap paper in great amounts that made it possible for us all to learn. Full stop. Can we picture what school life would be like without our notebooks and our instruction box question mark. There would stand a teacher, and facing him would sit 20, 30 or 40 little children, longing, let us say, to read and to write, to learn about the history of their own country and of other countries, to learn about their own land and about other lands. Full stop. But the teacher has no box because he has no paper, and the children have nothing on which they can write and then take away their work and learn it. Full stop. Everything must be done from memory. Full stop. The teacher has to remember what he has been told, and the children in their turn have to remember what they have been told. Full stop. Memory is often a poor help. Full stop. Nearly everyone finds it easier to learn through reading words than through hearing them. Full stop. If we wish, we can read the words in a book over and over again, but the words of the teacher once said are lost forever. Full stop. We can, of course, ask him to say them over again, but the time taken to learn wholly in the way would be so great that the children would end up by knowing very little in most cases. Full stop. New para. Learning became general when books became general. Full stop. While books were the property of the few, learning was also the property of the few. Full stop. No books may be had for the asking, and learning too may be had for the asking. Full stop. It is only our personal qualities that limit the field of our knowledge. थैंक यू डियर स्टूडेंट्स. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें और लाइक